In this video, I will show you how to play Fortnite on your PC with a PlayStation controller. To do this, we will need to install a third-party application called DS4, which helps your PC recognize the PlayStation controller. Now we can close Fortnite and move over to the browser to download this application. Now after we have gotten to our browser, we select one of the search boxes and we write DS4 and press the enter button. Then we select the link at the top, and then we press the download button right here in the top right. Now we press download once again when we get redirected right here, and the download will start automatically. After the download is finished, you can close your browser and go over to the Files Explorer application, then go over to downloads, and you can take and drag out the file you just downloaded to your desktop. Now after you have moved it over to the desktop, double left click and open it up. Then press extract all at the top, and here select where you want the extracted folder to be located at and press extract. I'll keep it on my desktop. Now the folder is extracting, and after that is done, we can close both of these and open up the folder we just extracted. Then go into DS4 Windows and locate this application right here and double left click and open it up. After you have opened it up, here you can choose whether you want it to be installed in program folder or app data. I'll choose program folder for this video. Right here you will need to choose your exact controller. If you're using a PS5 controller, make sure to check DualSense device support. If you're using a PlayStation 4 controller, check DS4 device support. Or PlayStation 3 controllers, check DS3 device support. For me it's DualShock 4, so I'll select the top one or PlayStation 4, then press the close button. And now you will be redirected to this application right here. You can minimize the folder. First off, you will need to press the step 1 right here, select that, and the installation of vigam will automatically begin. Then press next, then select where you want it to be installed at, make sure to read the license terms and conditions, and if you agree with them, check this box and press next. Then press install. After you are done, you press finish. For this video, we can skip these step 4 and step 5 because they are not relevant to our tutorial, and we press finish. Now we will need to connect our PlayStation controller to our PC. You can connect your controller using Bluetooth. First off, you will need to put it into pairing mode. To do that, press and hold down on the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. Then go over to the bottom left, press the search button, write Bluetooth, and select the application at the top. Now after you have gotten here, press the plus button at the top, then press everything else right here, and your controller should show up right here. This will only work if you have a motherboard that supports Bluetooth connection or a Bluetooth dongle. And after you have connected it using Bluetooth, you press the start button right here. Now let's move over to wired connection. Now to connect your controller using a wired method, you will need to get your controller charger, plug the USB part of it inside of your computer. After you have done that, take your controller and the other part of the cable and plug it inside of your controller. After you have done that, as you can see my controller just started lighting up, you will need to press the start button on the DS4 application. And it just recognized my controller, here it is at the top. Now let's jump over to Fortnite. Before we jump into a game, I'll show you how to change some of the settings. Go to the top left, press the 3 lines, press the settings button, settings once again. Then you can go to the second to last option at the top, the controller icon. Here make sure that you have selected PlayStation 4 as controller platform and controller configurations. You can choose this according to your needs. Then you can go to this option at the top, and here you can edit all of the settings related to your controller. And now before we jump into a game, you can also navigate to the top and select the keyboard and mouse and make sure that you have turned off the ignore gamepad input option, because if you have this turned on, your controller won't work. Here we are. As you can see, I can move with my controller. Sorry for the game being a little laggy, but you can see that everything is working. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.